Okay, here I have a bumper. I already pre-masked it. What I'm gonna do is gonna mask it further with the plastic all around it, cut it and tape it. So you can do it also with paper or anything else. So today I'm gonna do it with plastics. It's an option for masking things like this. So I have the plastic here. Like this. Unfold it. It's very big plastic, so a little bit too small. So. Wrap it tight around it. Wrap this side. Put it in there. Otherwise you got all the loose paper. It's not what we want. We want it as tight as possible. So it's tight. Cut it. There was a very small chip out of there. So don't gonna paint the whole bumper. Paint just this very little. So there was all what was needed. Yeah, like this. An easy way to do the things like this. I hope this tip can help you guys. But with everything I do, share, stars, everything. Hey, you're good. Look at that, man. It's fine about it. Painter is waiting for his job to paint. I said to him, let me do this. I'm going to show that the people on YouTube. And maybe you guys do it like this or maybe some not, some guys not. So, die eind I do floppy. Even verblenden zo. Weer toe. Ja, dus dan dit. here. So, don't lose paper everywhere, but a tight plastic around it. I think it's better, quicker, easier. So, check it. Check it, check it. Yeah. Good. That's it. As you can see, it's wet. Hey.
Yeah.
Even beter. So, that's what it is. It's polished very well. Everything is done. So, hope you guys have something about this video. Here I have the other thing I did yesterday. So, now it's gonna be painted. Okay. Thanks for watching.